Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 27 of DAX functions. Previously, we have discussed 26 days of different Power BI DAX functions, which includes all important DAX functions of 6 different types. Today, we are going to see yet another DAX functions, and we have successfully completed 5 different DAX functions. What are that and what are the important types we are going to discuss in this video. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and share to your friends. So as I mentioned previously, we have discussed 8 popular function types. What are the 8 popular types of functions in Power BI which is used? First, we have discussed about date and time functions, and it have its own subsets: information functions, logical functions, mathematical and trigonometric functions, and previously we have completed the parent and child functions. Each of these 5 functions have their own subset of DAX functions. All of these we have clearly explained in our previous set of videos. If you have missed to watch the previous set of videos, no need to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it, and even we have provided the link in iCard as well. While watching, if you get any queries, please feel free to reach out us through our comment box or through our social media platform links which we have given below. And sometimes if you are feeling like you can't able to watch the video, we have provided the written description of the DAX functions also. You can watch it through our blog page, which is also given in the description box. So today we are starting with a new one, which is statistical functions in Power BI. So what are these statistical functions? How we are going to use it in our Power BI? We are going to discuss it in this video. So I request everyone to not skip this video, because each and every piece of information which we are dealing with these statistical functions are very useful who are all working in the field of data analytics and data science. So let's start with today's video. So in statistical DAX functions, first we are going to deal with the average function. How this average function is used and how it is going to work, we are going to discuss clearly. Let's start with today's video. You can see we have discussed the parent and child functions. All this type of parent and child functions value is displayed over here. Maybe it's getting time to load. You can see the values whichever is discussed over here. And now today I have added a new page for statistical functions, and I'm going to add this file. If anyone need, okay, I need this file for my future reference. If anyone need the file, please fill the form or like request through us our social media. We'll definitely share you this file. So let's start with today's. So I'm going to create a new measure for average function. So let it be AVG function, which is average function. It's equal to, I'm going to give average. If you hit a tab, you can see returns the average, which is arithmetic mean of all the numbers in the column, right? Okay, so in hierarchy we don't have anything, but in sales column, yes, obviously we know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get I want to know average sales happened in that particular time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the average sales. So I'm going to type that sales in the list of sales orders table, hitting the enter, and yes, yeah, my value is added. So I'm going to create a matrix table here. Table here. I'm going to add my region, where I'm going to add sales into this table, and I'm also going to add the AVG sales or AVG function. So here I can able to see average of, maybe I'll centralize it. Here I can able to see average, on an average there is center wise what is my average sales for that particular time period of that particular region I can able to get. Hope you have understood this complete video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to reach out us as we mentioned. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.